Yes, umoncho murigereria wigeta sinia kisi hot na wakirimbia muna singi nchoko ndira gusanga amo nintu kila chingaki ncheni ko nkurkwanya to Dennis gusina mwancha unangiri kuntu ngonje tusange nkwana AMS mokurwa AC county ya Nyamira rit korigoro ni go mugavana we county ya Nyamira igete AC committee ya Senate wetera asomo Senate Nyamira okongo mugeni uyo nyana ko bagakumurangire gucha Senate iriya chikweresera na kibo tumiki bwechibesa bwabere bokorekana. And in fact kodengana no report irwa the budget the control budget ni agote abuna chinsa monchirange isato echo chikoro kibo tumiki bwechibesa account ya Nyamira yabereke gutumika chibesa asenchera etaringia okongo mugeni kararenge gokwana asa matanga ditkoria rero niga tebanga revuna muga senator we county ya Nyamira mechano nera se county ya Nyamira anemo so tumikibwe chibesa ngote barenga geiga county ya Nyamira abereke gutumika chibesa
kotora barai na ne bibilia ngote berenga rera na rwa bakore dibagia kwa ndo kujenga na rwa lese emeyegemia itese bakore oyo minto chairman oyo county public service board akale ko mbolinga njemgete gokale Nairobi okale koragera una naigwete yorole Senate maite gente ke kororo mwango gokole gasi Senate Nairobi ndi kwa mnyoka mapema kwa ikaga lakini naibo mugavana okoma na kurwe Senate nga ngiyaga rokongo mugeni akoyendekere chuma ojiko abantu pole moyo gocha kurupole njewono maitena ati mugabana ayenye go wenjo kwenda kwasambenya mafuraide kwaragera injikana jana rupo pole kiara wando ana banjore tuchi office ono danya kuma na ngega roko mugini akorekana ali Nyamira akorupole isaba omoyo maite kubwata moyo kwa abantu pole noyo monto ni bwanje sabo chira rolie nyama nero uno bugoma bwayi jebya na ikesa abantu ga oyo mindo kyangu abantu bamindo be county njemo ngirawe esenga njondo mu wakiri elisoni ane nkoligere diraki ande mwate bi mugaba na jetini bonto igoro na atene tega nango to bali elisoni mongo boli iswali elimo batanga bona akyo ngako mboli amasoli bakanende na changanyika tigo bange binto boronge twasi tinto manyetenga ekero covid ya chente chi hoteli nchi asiyetwe bantu bale kwenda mikutano ona akyanto ba mintomba boy ndare terwe bintu bikonyoro kinga diri covid chi hoteli chisieke ikare mwaka nyagara mara araire mwana liyo ngota runga chiwa saija to metu milioni 18 abantu bachiko koro mukutano Kisumu ingo da baba saka nyari ngari buya ote bina bintu nare ko bo abona nga inasari abuniza litike ne bintu binde so modi da banga chibesa otogo de ucha tumegete 35 million lakini togo chikolire korachi achira 68 ore ninga de mugaba na ekero gocha kore ni bintu bunebi wacha ne bank statement ikira nyo no wakiri na relie sogete relie esoete abuniza litikenda bandomi ebina bingo kora uno mosena na bero tofauti nero yongo mosabo mugaba na danya kuchandika wakaba ngoko ngabere ndabweka no olio kabere ngakera chumo gaite iro bisi itayo to kwani tinta idigo chiyo obisi anengo jana ke breki za wananchi na ila na nairo ase yo baba na pole njobisi out ndigo jobisi anagere nairo abega shio koru seyongo modaibi mugabana abe ready ko chega to komorangiri ora kie bindonga ngaki bikodire body ya municipality yao danga batumye ndicho asechogo jirchogo ikaranza chikoro ku board meeting sitting allowance ama sakarate aba batumyete 1575 omodi toto denge esaro je mukutano bete chimina tichire na bantu basaineti yochire 1200 chiyo ona akirende chichine 375 na ichiachi zine vingi ndoko bodi ase gongo sabo mugavana diwa ako endo kwandara minto tiga twachaga igesa bantu bare twara irenera nero toera sabuya bantu are bitonga ngakibe sege gasiane bo senator njengo endara konya korobi mangana yo tabange kero kyo bogaba na 2027 ikero na abananchi bawo cho no ninje mbale bakuri kiani kyo senate lakini tindi kwatera na koleranga nkianto bakuri kiri kyo senate nje 2027 kera ike abana inji monte mogonte birora ngirori kanya ne promotion ngende promotion udana bebi to bire igani no abana mogonte binu mwe yes kanya ne promotion ngoegwa mondo na lero itaingia kanya no koirora jino mwana moigwe sai gonga tawanga pole sana
ngaki ya corona mikutano njarengi gokorwa aba mikutano yabonga iba akorerete. Another thing bari gukwanira nkiringa kurwa ase county yiga ya Nyamira the municipality ya Nyamira town tibasa ba gotumika ba gotaba chire 500,000 ekaba kwarto mukutano ba kwetra se minutes chiminutes chikoto chibasa chatumika toro niko chire 200,000 lakini bakubodi 300,000 ngechachete gucha. So this means like kwanire county Nyamira specifically dirubandire ga diarwa kurwase there's ndire ga ngumitinga inadira gochi mokunganchira ndiri ngora. Okay, there is a letter from the Senator the clerk of the Senate, clerk's chambers, county government of Nyamira. Okay, meeting with the county public accounts and fiscal funds committee. This fiscal funds committee near Senate egochungusa igorebo tumiki bechibesa asaba governor. Lakini mangana yo gukumya nare ige county ya Nyamira. Okay. Oyata kereko genda ase Senate 2024 chitariki 14 chomutinyo yiga o August. Okay, that was the invitation ya denge to September. Ndeto kwa hiyo ndekerega yiga. Or what public control of budget. Nigorogo shtua sana kurwase county ya Nyamira. Tinse mange eyemo ibere isato. Statement of cash flows, statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts, rental expenses. Ama kumuna the county ya Nyamira. I want to take you eyemo we can say county ya Nyamira kulingana na report regarding control of budget. Yani the cash flow na chibasa chiko tarase county ya Nyamira, the control of budget ako claim whatever there is inaccuracies of the statement of cash flows kurase county ya Nyamira. Whatever the statement of cash flows reflects closing cash and cash equivalents balances of Kenya shillings 94,560,790 shillings. So the control of budget is saying that, however, recasting indicated a balance of Kenya shillings 83,282,688. Okay? Resulting to an unexplained and unreconciled variances of 11,278,102 Kenyan shillings. Minetiga bagokwaniga sekibusi. Inaccuracies yes statement urechwa sevuna chiko tare county ya Nyamira or what ru county ya Nyamira gotabanga tibas batumengete aso botumeki ichire 94,560,790. Lakini karaba kwanda control budget ekera ko gana chi record chi county ya Nyamira chiri ba ko county chibasa chitumegete bana record ya Nyamira tumegete chibasa chire 83,282,790 688 shillings. Wana ba makoro ba boriga. Chiba santi ati straight chikoro ku 11,278,102 shillings. So the question is, chiba sechi 11,278,102 shillings. Ichi ko chibolete. Ba kuboria ti statement asibali get records tichiyo. Mbari kunyara go explain. Chiba sechunga hii tichiete. So this means that the count of Nyamira never had a problem. So now this I talk about this video from where you guys send it outside the studio. I want us to look at this statement keenly. The way the county government of Nyamira is spending money. A governor yarenge at the Senate, but he was unable to explain why Chiga 11,278,102 shillings no records. Mbabegeti statement. Okay. Another thing. Okay, let me continue. Further, the statement reflects total receipt of Kenya shillings 39,192 shillings 280, which includes an unsupported amount of Kenya shillings 3,347,782 shillings in respect of another receipt that is not included in the statement of financial performance. Now you can see the financial performance in County Nyamira, their errors. Extra. When the money is extra, or statements was taken to get the extra money in Kichiakora. So this means that this money either chiko korera simefuko y'abantu, either chiba se chiga niko chiko korera asabantu bandi ama somewhere. So when the governor cannot be able to explain himself, have records, documents that support him on how chiba se chitumegete, this means and we want to urge the control of budget. Again, if the MCAs were oversight, when the senators were taking a responsibility at the Senate to do an oversight, I think we need to come up with a rule. Maybe that person yata kerego sibwa. And let me hope nga in the future we katoshi kora results tebiga. Number 2, inaccuracies of statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts. That the count of Nyamira, it can't even do a statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts. This is from Nyamira County. This is the report of the controller budget. Isi yangu. Ikinenga control of budget. Now, in the circumstances, the accuracy and the completeness of the statement of cash flows could not be confirmed. So the control of budget have to confirm the cash flow according to the reports of Nyamira County due to inaccuracies of the statements. Number 2, inaccuracies of the statement of comparison and whatever. Let me go there. The statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts reflects revenue of Kenya shillings 35,844,498 shillings. No, as if you can never be Hive review of the approved budget refilled final budget estimates Kenya shillings 165,190,997 shillings, resulting in an unexplained and unreconciled variances of Kenya shillings 129,346,499 Kenyan shillings. In the circumstances, the accuracy and completeness of the amounts in the statement of comparison of budget in actual amounts could not be confirmed. Nga a budget ya Nyamira County in terms of budget and actual amounts, there is something here. Okay. Eco reflect revenue equal 35,844,498. Lakini ndowate keraba korate final approved budget equal approved in terms of budget and actual amounts. The final budget equal estimated yaba Kenyan shillings 165,190,997 shillings. A year yachitekareta unexplained and reconciled. Yani chibasa chiroro chigocha chigotumekwa chitabwati amaereso bagusinyi kweresana kichitumegete njiri ase record njiri ase bitabume echichire amounts to Kenya shillings 129,346,499 shillings. That means in terms of budget and actual amounts in the county government of Nyamira. And I don't know whether the MCAs are doing their work to do oversight, to oversight the governor, the executive. Even the Beyonce. Number 3, inaccuracies in rental expenses. Rental expenses, this is where the count of Nyamira rented chinyomba. For example, Nyamira County tebwati count headquarters. Asebari, they pay. If I rented asebari. The house of the governor, if I rented asumo governor amenyete. And all whatever. I want you to look at here. The statement of financial performance reflects use of goods and services. Amount of Kenya shillings 8,203,122 shillings, which includes an amount of 904,600 in respect of rental expenses as disclosed in Note 6 to the financial statements. Now, imagine the services. Now, the performance reflects the use of goods and services. Goods and services, the count of Nyamira, it spends 8,203,122 shillings, which includes amount of Hiyo sasa hii the goods and services ziko 8 million, pia mpaka zile za kulipa rental expenses. Rental expenses Nyamira County inalipa iko 904,000 Kenyan shillings. However, when the review was done, according to this statement ya account of Nyamira, wakati the control of budget reviewed this statement from the account of Nyamira, it noted that the tenancy agreement refilled monthly rent of an amount of Kenyan shillings 75,800 Kenyan shillings, resulting to decided to the rent of an amount of Kenyan shillings 909,600, resulting to an unexplained and unreconciled variance of Kenyan shillings 5,000. So, in Nyamira County, every sector, wakati kelwa waka na chibesa, it means that chibesa chiko wa peak. For example, kelwa waka na rentals kila chiwaka no, ichi ira 904,600 Kenyan shillings. So every month they give 75,800 Kenyan shillings. Lakini hii rent wakati the control of budget reviewed the statements from Nyamira, walipata kuna pesa extra ya 5,000 yenye imeibiwa. And let me say, I don't have the clear word to use. I'm sorry, I withdraw hiyo jina ya kusema wakuiba. Let me say, chiri busano nchimonye keni asichichiete nega asichikorete ase rekodi bitabu tichiyo ase kweresa na kichitumegete mariko nyara kweresa chiri busano togocha aso waka na amangana budget and actual amounts donyoranga chiba soro chigo chichiasira ichire chiri milioni 3 chiri busato 52 chimisano nebere na 82 chiba se chigo sira mariko manya sikwenda twachi chasa mwana a cash flows twanya chiba se chigo sira oloro iko chire 3,647,782 Kenyan shillings. So wesikomeka 6 million or 3,347,782 shillings aumente 129,346,449 Kenyan shillings aumente ne chiri busano na bokonya na kibasa chisete kuru Nyamira niko chire chinyinge. Yesterday when the senator and the governor of Nyamira County arenga at the Senate kweresera the use of money obo tumeki wechibesa and the saving the binago somere beyonce, the governor failed to explain how chibasa chitumegete. There is no documents chiko support his statements echari kwegerera. He doesn't have any document. Iyo ndikirete wono ninirisha premature. The Senate ended premature. That means the governor was sent away from the Senate because of what? Ameshinda kujieleza and how this money it has been used. The millions of money, documents explaining how this money chabere used as need to koeresera. Because when you explain how the money chat make it, we go to the evidence, something which supports your statement. Okay? And now, commentra nayo, there are much allegations against the county government of Nyamira. There are much allegations whether as a county Nyamira, much more about the governor, the leadership, the leaders of the county government of Nyamira are failing. Today in the morning, someone from Nyamira County, I think is the County Nyamira, called us today in the morning and told us that Nyamira County, there is a problem. In fact, Timito Sena side statement area and Vigaiga, Gesima Level 2 Hospital, chi machine chire millions of money. Chikoru millions of money. Ase wodi agesima nyagitari agesima. There are machines chabere chiko sekuru ase county Nyamira chinyagitari. Sometimes whatever gaturu sen machine igaiga toire nyagitari gete. Pato kore machine kuru ase gete ngabaira ase gete. But unfortunate machine etire uchi kororo. There is an alarm. You have arrest from Gesima Ward, Gesima Level 2 Hospital. Now, there are machines. Tisiekere choime. Ase nyagitari ye. Ti machine tisiekere ase cho. Ama tukatari make. Mwaku wori wawae mugosekera ti machine ase cho. Bateba not even tumusekere te cho yaga korire gasi. Bateba ngecho igefungo giasirete. Let me ask you a question. Konye igefungo giecho giasirire. Echo. No, I'm saying this because now there are some information. Mbaka na wati na kire one of the MCAs. Kure ese county assembly ya Nyamira na nino muraiwe county assembly ya Nyamira na mu akire simi kumubori na ki na igure ngatere machines chechibesa chisekeire ase echo egwo nyagitari ya Gesima. Onteb is not aware. In fact, not one of the journalists or a reporter esema Nyamira County esema ya Keroka oge namba kororo. Lakini naonere natebanga previously before to try this information. Amangana na chitima pema. Chimashini chisekere cho. Njanya kurusiwo. The people of Gesima Ward na bantu ba Nyamira na ba kesimi. Raising concern. Igore nyagitari ya Gesima na goseka chiji machine chigosekere cho. Baba tabeke fungo giasirete. Yani konyo muntu kamenyete enyomba ime asa korara. Ege fungo giasira otagora. Ege fungo giecho giasira mwanga gotagora. I wonder why the count of Nyamira moku gacha machine ase cho mobo atisto Nyamira county ngima. I'm asking you a question. Let me ask you a question. Again. Chi machine chichimongo tabati siekere Nyamira County. Gesima nyagitari chisekere cho. I'm asking a question. Nyamira County mobo atesto asimoko gatati machine. Konya chisaregete. Konya chirebuya. Why do you store machine eti millions of money? Mobegete cho ime mosekere to. Why? I'm told Amangana naror, we are working on it. Amangana naror, pado. At the some machines were taken from Keroka, Wochiororo, Wochikesima, Nyagita Chikagachuo. There is an information, Gesima ne wate theater. Somebody told me like that. But the one who's working at theater, as a Gesima, Marigo operator singing to somebody wakano. Umurira ko nororo ba murifa one of the private hospitals. Tinse mochameta mayo. Why? Ba ku murifa ororo umakuruga ikagesima ochukororo muroire. Umoshugurikira onyara chibasecho. That's not my question. Njetimbo atuwe mwende mwensine serikali county government ya Nyamira. The other day, Nabatebi, the MCS Kure County Nyamira, Mbatara, all the way from Nyamira County, Mbaka Embu County, Kokora penji marking, yechi paracho morom. Yanaba mseva Nyamira, Bakagana Mbaka Embu County, Bakachikorachi paracha Embu County, na kichikobeku omorom. Waste a lot of money, because allowance mwaka nubare na mwaru Nyamira, Mbaka Embu. A transport in Chiramogo to make a Kubeka Chikada after the government near the Wakana. As a mokorara, because you went there for 2 days, make you more kori. A lot of money. Yani county government of Nyamira spending money, munabata gete. Okay? But spending money, munabata gete. Yani, they don't care. But, delivery services marakora. At least introduce some pictures through one of the hospitals. Echomu governor Nyamira na tolo chako share abaigwire. Congratulations. Asenye gitari ni muigorete. But still work on in terms of chiba sabuna chigo sira. Millions of money chasirire. We need you to work very hard and make sure nga Nyamira County government, you deliver, you give us, the people of Nyamira County, services. Amangana corruption, work hard as the governor. The other day, the governor paid himself almost 669 million. No, not 600, but 69 million. When the governor paid himself 69 million, he was asked, Mbono najilipa hiyo pesa, and the governor said,